Welcome to 24hourfloor.com, home of the 15-year warranty on our polyurea floor coatings. If you have a home or construction project and don't know where to put your stuff, we have the answer.
We started working with portable storage, which is a new business that we've recently added. It's been about 6 months that we've started that business, and it was really based out of a need. We had a lot of customers wanting to do their garage floors, but had no place to put their stuff.
It took a good number of hours to get it done, and they spent the time required to get it done. And at the end, it was within 6 hours after they were done, I was putting all my pieces back in the garage, and 24 hours later, I could actually drive on it. But the nice thing was I was able to have things out of the garage and then get them back in the garage that same night. But I didn't have to leave them out, didn't have to find a storage container, or didn't have to go through any major issues. The company was fantastic. Can't complain.
For more information, visit 24hourfloor.com.